Well, today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for so many families, getting the right help for a loved one dealing with substance use disorder or mental health challenges. And joining us today, the clinical director from the Blanchard Institute, Lake Norman, to shed a little light on what's going on is Mr. Jamaal Othiossinir. Thank you for being here. And this is a big deal because when people are struggling, they need help. But you say getting the right type of help is important. Why is getting a professional to deal with situations like this so important?
Thank you for asking that. It's really important to get the right type of help as far as licensed help, because you don't want the guys in the barbershop, your friend at the park. Professional, clinical, licensed help ensures safety and accountability.
Yeah, I mean, we know that the people mean well if you talk to friends and you talk to family and try to get help from them, but they can't give you what a professional can give you.
And that's also true. A professional can give accountability, structure, and definitely a way between not just the client, but the family to get the help they need.
Well, let's talk about inpatient versus outpatient. I know you guys are doing with outpatient. I thought that the best help was you got to be inpatient, but that's a misnomer, is it not?
That's definitely a misconception. So the idea of having an outpatient facility allows for clients and family members to get the help they need, but also be able to come from the clinic, but also go back home.
See, here it is, because now they're feeling that they're still connected to everything that's going on. So yeah. What does your outpatient services offer? So
we offer PHP, which is partial hospitalization, IOP, intensive outpatient care, OP, outpatient care, the medical team. We have a clinical team, medical team, dietary nutrition. We have a whole array of services.
So what are some of the common diagnoses that you guys see? We mentioned about mental health and we mentioned about substance abuse disorder. What are some of the things that you commonly see that people are dealing with?
Yes, good point. So anxiety, depression, bipolar, PTSD, all those things, again, in a safe environment and professional clinical environment, we're able to serve all those populations.
And I would bet that some people feel like when they may be alone and feel that those things can't be helped by them, that no one can help them.
The beauty of this program, again, is the fact that I, as a clinician, staff alike, we're going to walk with you, hand in hand, you and your loved ones, reminding you that you're not alone.
See, that's what I love about that. You talk about you're going to walk with someone hand in hand, because that's a very scary proposition, trying to do it on your own or feeling that, you know, when you're depressed or having anxiety, that you're by yourself. And you're telling me the Blanchard Institute is saying, no, you're not by yourself.
Not only are you not by yourself, we're trying to break the stigma and break down the barriers to say you're not alone. We definitely have either been there and or can relate to what you're going through.
Well, what are some of the stigmas you just mentioned? What are some of the stigmas that attach to people maybe having mental health disorders or going through substance abuse?
As a man in this field, one of the hugest stigmas is real men don't cry, you don't need help, you're less than. That's a false narrative. Real individuals, man, woman, child, if you do need help, be in a safe space to get that. We provide that at the Blanchard Institute.
Okay, we know that finances can be a very difficult thing. So how does insurance play a part in this? And is insurance, does it cover some of the things that you're talking about?
Good question. We have a dedicated team that's focused on the criteria being met as far as your insurance provider. You can contact the Blanchard Institute. We can walk you through the entire process.
You got 2 locations. Tell me about your 2 locations.
That is correct. So we have the Lake Norman location in Cornelius, which serves the entire surrounding areas. And we also have the main hub out here in Charlotte, which also provides care to this area as well.
So people who may be looking right now and out there, and their families out there right now, where can they get more information? Where can they get on your website where they can find out, okay, I need some help, they can help me?
Yes, definitely go on our website, which hopefully is provided on today. The number will be listed in the feed, and definitely reach out to the administration team.
And we'll also have this on our own website, WCSC.com/Charlotte today. And if you need help and things are going awry and you don't know where to turn, maybe you might want to go ahead and give that a call and look at that website, theblanchardinstitute.com. Indeed.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much for being here, Jamaal.
Thanks for having me. Appreciate you.